Welcome back to Born and Forge. Well, I'm in the process of making a big gate for a client of mine. And that gate's got a big oak tree in the centre, so I'll be posting a video about that when that project's finished. But to go with my oak tree and all my little oak leaves that I've got here, I need some acorns. So I thought I need to rustle up a spring swage for my acorns rather than turning them all. And so I thought I'd make a nice little video for you guys. I've got my steel from the spring, I've got my little acorn nicely turned, so I need some blocks to smash it in. Well, there we go. There's the finished spring switch. The original fits in there. Just clamps together nice and easy. These are really simple to make. I think that took, what, 30 minutes tops, including filming. So, you know, job. So that's how they turned out. They came out absolutely perfect. The original is not damaged at all either, so I can reuse that again if this wears out, which it's not going to. I could just forge it out into another component for my gate really. But so my spring on the back, that's just a piece of mild steel. No need to use a bit of spring steel for this, no point wasting it. It's nice and chunky, that spring, so there isn't a lot of flex in that, but it's getting bashed by the power hammer, so it doesn't need a huge amount of flex anyway. It's only got to come together, what's that, 10 mil, something like that, half an inch tops. Gives me enough space to get one in and get it back out again. So yeah, works an absolute treat. I'm gonna put a bit of oil on that so it doesn't rust up, especially on the inside if I'm not gonna use it for a while. I better get back on the forge and finish making the acorns for my gate. So please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Born to Forge. Cheers guys.